Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd generation earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So it's a 3-step process, so let's start. In the first step, you have to remove these earbuds from your Bluetooth settings. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds, and here we have this eye icon. So you have to select it, and here we have two options. The first option is disconnect. So first of all, you have to select this disconnect option, and then again you have to select this eye icon, and the second option is about forget this device. So I will select forget this device, and here again I will select forget device. So your earbuds will remove from your Bluetooth settings. In the second step, you have to remove these earbuds from Bose app. So I will open Bose app, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds, and on top right corner you see this account icon. So you have to select this account icon, and then from here you have to select this option of manage products. So I will select manage products, and then you have to select this option of edit. So I will select edit, and then you have to select Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. So I will select these earbuds, and then here we have this option of delete. So I will select this delete option, and then I will select remove. So Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds will remove from my Bose app. And now in the last step, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them inside the charging case, and you have to leave this charging case open. Now at the back side of this charging case, you see this Bluetooth button. So you have to press and hold this button for 25 seconds, and you have to repeat this process 3 times in a row. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, and after 25 seconds you will see this status light will turn off. So I will show you. So here you can see the status lights turn off, and I will leave this button. Now again I will repeat this process for second time. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button, and then you will see this status light will turn off, and then I will leave this button. So I will show you. So here you can see the status light turn off, and now I will leave this button. And now again I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, but this time after 25 seconds this status light will blink amber for 3 seconds, and then it will start blinking blue in color, which means these earbuds are completely hard reset. And now I will reconnect these earbuds with my device. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and here it will show you Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds in available device list. So here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. I will select it, and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are now connected with my device, and they are ready to use. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.